CAIRE Freestyle Comfort is a lightweight, 5-setting pulse flow portable oxygen concentrator with a maximum output of up to 1,050 milliliters. Weighing only 5 pounds and designed with patient comfort in mind, the Freestyle Comfort's ergonomic design includes a curved shape that hugs your hip and makes it more comfortable to wear. A full-color LCD display screen shows remaining battery charge and oxygen flow settings, so you can always monitor your machine. Packaged with a standard 4-hour battery pack or an optional 8-hour battery pack, the Freestyle Comfort provides hours of mobility for an active lifestyle. Your Freestyle Comfort also comes with a durable carrying bag, including a back pocket and shoulder strap, AC wall and DC motor vehicle power supplies, and a 7-foot cannula. Powered by battery, wall, or motor vehicle outlet power, the Freestyle Comfort provides ultimate flexibility as you travel throughout your day. When you receive your Freestyle Comfort for the first time, it is best to find a flat surface close to an electrical outlet so you can easily charge your unit. It is also best to keep all packaging materials in a safe place for any potential future needs. Setting up your device is quick and easy and requires no tools. Once you have removed the Freestyle Comfort from its box, ensure that the external gross particle filters are in place. Do not operate your Freestyle Comfort if the filters are not in place. It is recommended that you clean these filters each week by simply wiping them with warm soapy water. Rinse with warm water and then allow them to dry thoroughly before replacing. Your Freestyle Comfort ships with its battery removed. Before your first use, you will want to check the amount of battery charge available. Your battery will arrive partially charged and should be fully charged prior to use. To check the battery charge, look for the battery test button on the top of the battery. Press the test button and the battery gauge indicator lights will illuminate above the button to indicate the percentage of the battery pack charge. If your battery appears damaged, contact your oxygen provider before use. To install, take the battery pack included with your device, align it with the tracks along the bottom of the unit, and slide it back until you hear it click into place. You will want to make sure the battery pack is fully charged before you use your Freestyle Comfort for the first time. You can charge your unit by AC wall power or DC motor vehicle power. To charge your device using wall outlet power, take the wall power supply and ensure that the input power cord is connected. To connect your AC power cord, first lift the receptacle tab on the front of the device to reveal the power port. Then plug the power connector into the unit to allow the unit to charge. Battery charge times are indicated in the user manual, and it's important to note that you can operate the unit while plugged into the wall and still allow the battery to charge. The full-color display screen will show you the status of your battery charge with an easy-to-read graphic. To charge your battery pack using DC motor vehicle power, take the power connector and insert it into the power port by lifting the receptacle tab on the front of the Freestyle Comfort, and then insert the power cord into your motor vehicle's accessory outlet. Be sure your battery is still installed in the unit and your vehicle is running before connecting the DC power cord. After your battery is fully charged, the Freestyle Comfort is ready for use. Connect the nasal cannula into the oxygen outlet at the top of your Freestyle Comfort and secure it into place before positioning the nasal cannula on your face. Turn on the device by pressing the power button. Remember to breathe normally. When turning on the Freestyle Comfort, the device will emit a brief audible alarm to alert you that the device is operating. To select your pulse flow setting, press the increase button identified with the plus sign, or the decrease button identified with a minus sign to help you set your desired flow rate. It is normal to hear a difference in sound as you change the flow settings. Your doctor will prescribe which setting is right for you. Once you have set your oxygen flow rate, you may feel a puff of oxygen delivered through the nasal cannula each time you inhale. Should an alert occur, you will hear an audible alarm and see symbols appear on the display screen of your device. You will need to refer to the troubleshooting table in the user manual to determine the type of alert, and then contact your home care provider or CAIRE Technical Service for assistance. If a button on your Freestyle Comfort has not been pressed in 20 seconds, the display screen will dim. Even though the screen has dimmed, the unit will continue to run. To wake up the display screen, simply press any of the control panel buttons once. To insert the Freestyle Comfort into its carrying bag, place the bag face up on a flat surface. Insert the Freestyle Comfort into the bottom of the bag. After zipping up the bag, make sure the air intake filters, the oxygen outlet, and the charging receptacle tab are not obstructed. Attach the shoulder straps to the bag utilizing the loops on either side of the bag, and you are ready to go. Remember, the carrying bag can accommodate both size battery packs. To wear your Freestyle Comfort without its carrying bag, locate the metal tabs located on the top of the device on either side. Attach a shoulder strap clip to each tab. When your Freestyle Comfort is not in use, it is recommended you store the unit with the battery removed. Avoid storing any battery pack in a harsh environment, including one that produces excessive heat from direct sunlight or inside a hot motor vehicle. Optional available accessories include a desktop charger to charge your extra batteries, an optional 8-hour battery pack, and the carry-all accessory bag, perfect for carrying your portable oxygen concentrator and all of its accessories while traveling.